If your radio is acting erratically, experiencing difficulty with the DVD player or downloaded apps, it is recommended that you restore your radio to its original factory specifications and feature list. This video will walk you through the 6 easy-to-follow steps. First, go to the home screen on your radio. Scroll over and click on the Settings icon. Scroll up and select Personal. Next, select All Data Erase. At the bottom of the next screen, click on Reset Vehicular Platform. When given the prompt that all your personal data and downloaded apps will be erased and that you can't undo this action, click on Erase Everything if you do wish to proceed. Several different screens will cycle through as the radio resets, with the whole procedure taking about 5 minutes. When the display settles back at the home screen, the reset is complete and the radio is ready for use again.